Are you running into the recording failed, no audio devices found error while trying to use voice memos on your iPhone? Don't worry, this can happen for a few reasons like audio settings or software hiccups. But fear not, I've got some great solutions to help you get voice memos back up and running. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Check microphone permissions. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down a bit. Next, select Privacy and Security. After that, scroll down again. Tap on Microphone and make sure that Voice Memo has permission to access the microphone. If you find it disabled, go ahead and toggle it on and try recording in Voice Memos again. Quickly after that, let's check the recently deleted folder. Open the Voice Memos app on your iPhone. Tap the back arrow icon. Now head over to the recently deleted folder. Look for your missing audio recording. If you find it, you can recover it from here. Solution 2. Disconnect Bluetooth devices. Sometimes Bluetooth devices that are connected and can mess with your iPhone's internal microphone. Go to Settings, then select Bluetooth. After that, toggle Bluetooth off to disconnect any devices that are currently connected. Now open Voice Memos and see if you can record without any issues. Solution 3. Update iOS. Running outdated software can create compatibility problems with the Voice Memos app. Start by opening Settings. Tap on General. Next, select Software Update. If there's an update available, tap Download and Install. After the update finishes, restart your iPhone and check for voice memos again. Solution 4. Reset all settings. If you're still having trouble, resetting your iPhone settings could do the trick. Open Settings, tap on General, then scroll down. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset. Next, tap Reset all settings. Confirm your choice and your settings will reset without affecting your data. Now open Voice Memos and test recording once more. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the recording failed, no audio devices found error in the voice memos. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video.